Easy Tech channel. Hi friends, now you are seeing Easy Tech channel. In this video I am going to show you this is unboxing video friends. I am unboxing this infrared thermometer. See, infrared thermometer. Now we have to unbox this thermometer. Now let's see. See friends, now I am going to unbox this thermometer. See here infrared thermometer, and here some picture is there of that thermometer. Neatly packed box friends. Here you can see the logo. Phililic, the logo, you can see logo. And here memory and query, LED display, auto shutdown, replaceable battery, fast measurement in 1 second. Here features are there friends, some features. And here product name infrared thermometer, measuring range 32 degrees Celsius. You can see 42.2 degrees Celsius. We have to keep 2 AAA batteries friends. This is, and you can see all this here also. Now we have to unbox this box. See friends. Here I got like this, it will come, and a user manual also came friends. User manual. See, please read this user manual friends, please. And now we have to see this thermometer. See, infrared thermometer. Specifications model FP14, manufacturer also made in China friends. This is, and this is the sensor. See, here sensor there, no friends. Here sensor is coming like this, it will work. Forehead, you can set normal or forehead. At forehead like this, forehead, if you set forehead friends, you have to keep on the forehead and check the measuring. And if you want to keep anywhere, press this button and you can see the heating like this, 93 point like this. And if you want to forehead, you have to set forehead option. I kept to my forehead friends. See, my body temperature is 97.9 degrees. If it come 100 degrees, you have to go to doctor. It will green, it will come red color friends when you have a fever. Here display will red. Now it is green, no friends. If you have any any type of fever, it will come into red friends display. And this is the battery compartment friends. Here see, 2 AAA batteries are there in this. See, like this. And you can, this is the button friends, scan button. When you press this, it will come the display like this. See friends, this is the unboxing video. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to share, like and comment. Bye friends.
That little mouse, 'cause I'm an albatross.